Hi everyone, welcome back to another day at Topcast. So today we'll be exploring the 10 essential tips on how to protect your skin. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to keep your skin healthy and vibrant. Let's get started. Use sunscreen daily. Sunscreen is the cornerstone of any skincare routine. It protects your skin from harmful UV rays, which can cause premature aging, dark spots, and even skin cancer. Make sure to use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 every day, even if it's cloudy or you're staying indoors. Apply it generously on all exposed skin, and don't forget to reapply every 2 hours if you're outdoors. Stay hydrated. Keeping your skin hydrated from the inside out is just as important as using topical moisturizers. Drinking plenty of water helps to flush out toxins and keep your skin looking fresh and plump. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and consider incorporating hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelon into your diet. Cleanse gently. A gentle cleansing routine is key to maintaining healthy skin. Harsh cleansers can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Use a mild cleanser suited to your skin type to remove impurities without causing damage. Always wash your face with lukewarm water and pat it dry with a soft towel. Moisturize regularly. Moisturizing is crucial for all skin types. A good moisturizer helps to maintain your skin's barrier function and lock in hydration. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type, whether it's dry, oily, or combination, and apply it every morning and evening after cleansing. Exfoliate mindfully. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover, leaving your skin looking brighter and smoother. However, over-exfoliation can damage your skin and cause irritation. Limit exfoliating to 1 to 3 times per week, depending on your skin type, and opt for gentle exfoliants like enzyme-based products or physical scrubs with fine grains. Eat a balanced diet. A healthy diet plays a significant role in your skin's appearance. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your meals. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries and leafy greens, can help protect your skin from oxidative stress and aging. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for skin health, as it allows your body to repair and regenerate cells. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to wake up with refreshed and radiant skin. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine and avoid screens before bed to improve your sleep quality. Manage stress. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your skin, causing issues such as breakouts, dryness, and premature aging. Practice stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to keep your stress levels in check and promote healthier skin. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. Both smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can have detrimental effects on your skin. Smoking reduces blood flow and collagen production, leading to wrinkles and a dull complexion. Alcohol can dehydrate your skin and exacerbate issues like rosacea. Try to limit or avoid these habits for better skin health. Protect your skin from environmental factors. Environmental factors such as pollution and harsh weather conditions can take a toll on your skin. Protect your skin by using antioxidant-rich products to combat free radicals, and wear protective clothing like hats and scarves when outdoors. Be mindful of your surroundings and take the necessary precautions to safeguard your skin. That's all for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. See you in the next video.